Hi, this is Natalie with Vive Health. We are focusing on spine health in this series of videos. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine. Come to a standing position with your ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips in a nice alignment through the spine. So lifting up, fixing the posture, pulling those ears back, and take a deep breath here. Exhale, release. One more deep breath. And exhale, release. Try to keep in tune to this breathing during your whole practice. See if you can make it longer, maybe more slow and controlled and soft and smooth. Your spine is a really close proximity to your lungs. So we're really going to utilize the inhalations to lift us and the exhalations to twist us and deepen into our stretches. Come towards the front, please. We're going to take a deep breath in. Place your arms back all the way, hands on your head behind it, pulling back, deep breath here. Opening the chest, stretching it out here. Then we're going to place our hands down on our thighs as we take a chair pose here, but our hands are down. Then we're going to round our spine, tucking our tailbone in, arching the back. Then inhale, lift, standing cats and cows. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. And exhale, round. Then we're going to sink with our weight in the heels and then the bottom and round up. And we're going to snake it down. So chin up, chest up, heart up. And we stick the bottom back first. Down you go. You're going to come down all the way, and then your head is the last thing towards the ground. And you can bend your knees as much as you need to, that's fine. But then we're going to bend our knees again to round up. Weight goes in the heels. Inhale, lifting up, all the way up. And if this is a little too awkward for you, that's okay. Just give it a try. Snaking it down, heart up, chest up, chin up. And then you round down, and then inhale up. So let's try this one more time. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, going down. Pause, and then inhale up. Really warming up the spine here. Then we're going to come back down all the way to a forward fold here. Relax the head, the neck, the jaw. You can keep your knees bent as much as you need to here. Then we're going to bend the knees if they're not already a little bit more. Grip the mat with your fingertips. Walk your feet back and holding a plank here. You can drop the knees for a modification. But right now, again, really warming up the muscles around that spine so we can really get into stretching. Now you can drop the knees or not, but we're going to chaturanga down. Then we're going to unleash the toes, untucking them, then lifting up. You can come all the way up into upward facing dog if you can. If that's too much for you, stay down here in cobra. All the way up, holding the spinal extension here, opening up. Suppress those shoulders down, dropping the knees, and sending the hips over the calves. 2 more times, finding the plank. Chaturanga down, upward facing dog, or cobra, whatever works for you, but just suppress those shoulders down, elbows are hugging into your sides. Drop the knees, find your child's pose. Take a deep breath here. One more time. Plank. Very good. Strong, strong, strong. Elbows in, chaturanga. Cobra or upward facing dog, however you find a clean transition. And child's pose. Inhale to tabletop. We're going to go ahead and place this right arm up to the sky, opening up. And then exhale, we're going to thread the needle between the left arm and left leg. Down you go. Really open up so you're stretching like you're reaching under the bed. Left arm comes up and back if you can. If that's too much on your neck, place your hand down here. Take a couple breaths here, in and out. One more deep breath. Then we're going to unleash this left hand. Push in where our hand was before. Right hand comes down. This time, left arm's coming up to the sky. Deep breath here. And thread your needle
between your right hand and right leg. And then the other arm can come back and around. Watch out for your right hip protruding over that right knee. Try to bring it back a little bit for better alignment. From here, we're gonna unleash. Place your right hand down. Inhale, come on back up. From here, tuck the toes under, downward facing dog. Kicking the right leg up to the sky. Bend the knee, open up the hip. If you can, take it over, take it over. You're gonna place your right leg on the outside of that left foot and open up. Then go ahead and place your right leg down if it's still up. Then left leg's coming up to the sky. Gently place it down if you want to take it over and open up. Very good. And then if wherever you are, we're placing both feet down. Dropping the heels, finding your plank, transitioning to your upward facing dog again. Drop the knees, find your child's pose. Inhale, coming back up. Dropping down towards the ground. Lift your heart up with your hands back, feet up, and hold here. If you can go a little further, grab your ankles. Make sure your knees stay together. If you can, kick into those hands for a gentle back bend here. Gently drop the legs down. Hands come to center. Push up. Find your child's pose again. Then from here, we're gonna swoop onto our backs. So however you wanna turn, take your time to turn. We're gonna go ahead and gently come down towards the ground. Shoulders back down into the ground, lifting the hips up off the ground, working the lower back muscles, holding it here. Take a deep breath in and gently out. Drop the hips down. Both knees come into your chest, rock side to side. Then we're gonna drop both knees over to the left. Right arm goes out to the right. Close your eyes if you'd like. Take a nice long deep breath in. And as you exhale, really sink into this pose here. One more time, deep breath in. And sink in here. Squeeze your core, bring the knees into your chest. Lift up your lower back and drop both knees over to the right now. Left arm goes out to the left side. Take a deep breath in and gently out. Good, in and gently out. Then bring both knees into your chest, rocking side to side, having a little bit more of advancement here. It's going to be a little bit deeper of a spine twist, so if you know your limits, that's fine. You're going to kick your feet up to the sky. Cross your right leg over the left. If you can, hook underneath the ankle. If you can't, just keep it here. Then we're going to place the right hand down and drop your legs towards the left side. Really deep lower lumbar twist here. So again, find your limit if you need to. You can unleash the legs, that's fine. Or you can do what we did before with both knees over to the side. Now, if both legs are still locked, unleash them, lift up the lower back to realign the spine, and we're gonna eagle leg on the other side. So left leg on top, you can be here, or if you can grab under, and drop both knees over to the other side. Again, really deep spinal twist here. Left arm can go out. If that's too much, keep your left hand in, no problem. Take a deep breath and release. Then unleash your legs. Kick your legs up to the sky, shake them out. Bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself a little hug, rounding over. Then we're gonna go ahead and extend the legs. Close your eyes, relax your jaw, and give yourself a moment just to give into this moment. And then if you want to roll over onto the right side, you can. or you can slowly sit up into a seated position. Make sure you're squeezing your core here to do so. Lifting up tall just like you started, closing your eyes, feeling your spine. Bring your hands on top of your heart. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Thank you.